North Central Bourbon County in central Kentucky. Western Bourbon County in central Kentucky. East Central Harrison County in central Kentucky until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Colorado and is nearly stationary. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour in gusts and any size hail. Local radar indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will
Harrison County in central Kentucky until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Carlisle and is nearly stationary. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour.
Move to an interior room on the
Morning
roof
Glory,
floor of a building.
Venus, headquarters, Hooktown and Colville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Onville, Morning Glory, Millersburg, Venus, headquarters, Hooktown and Colville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
South wind up to 5 miles an hour. Wednesday, showers and